All right, let's solve this radical equation. It has an equal sign and it has a radical. So we know we want to get the radical by itself. Do you notice something different about this one? I'll give you a hint. That is right. This is a third root, okay? So it's not a big deal, but instead of squaring this, we're going to have to cube it. We're going to have to take it to the third power. But before we do that, first thing we need to do is to move this 2. We want the radical by itself. So to get rid of a minus 2, I will add 2 to both sides. Okay, it'll be gone from the left-hand side. And now I'm going to have the cubed root of x minus 8 equals 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, now I'm ready. I am going to cube both sides.
Check it!
That's right, boys. I will need to check it. So I'll take this side to the third power and this side to the third power, and I'll have to check my answers. Okay, left-hand side, radicand comes out. It's going to be x minus 8 equals 2 to the third power is 8. Let's get this grumpy old x by itself. Add 8 to both sides. X equals 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, now I need to check it. Let's come over here and we will check it. So I'll start with my original equation. I had the cubed root of x minus 8 minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so let's take this 16, we'll plug it right there for the x. Cubed root of x minus 8 minus 2 equals 0. Now let's plug in 16. So 16 minus 8 under the radical, it's going to be the cubed root of 8 minus 2 equals 0. What's the cube root of 8? That's 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 equals 0. And yes, this checks out. So my answer here is x equals 16.